In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp for social media management. Welcome. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a simple, repeatable setup in ClickUp that keeps your social posts organized, scheduled, and moving through a clear workflow. We'll start in Spaces, add a ready-made template, name your list so it's easy to find later, and then plan content directly on the calendar. I'll also show you where to store ideas and assets in a content library and how to set a content stage so everyone knows what's in draft, what's scheduled, and what's live. First, head to your Spaces in the left sidebar of ClickUp. A space is your high-level container, perfect for grouping everything related to social media. If you already have a space for marketing or social, open it. If not, choose the space you want to use for this, so all your work, views, and tasks live together in one place. Keeping social efforts inside a single space makes reporting cleaner, permissions easier to manage, and day-to-day navigation much faster. Inside your space, look for the plus button to add something new. This is where you create lists for campaigns or content categories. Go ahead and click the plus, and instead of starting from scratch, choose templates. Templates save tons of time and bring in best practices instantly, so you don't have to reinvent statuses, fields, or views every time you plan a new month of content. In the template gallery, browse the social media management options. You'll see several variations designed for planning posts, tracking assets, and organizing your publishing schedule. Preview a couple to see the structure you like. Look for templates that include a content calendar view, a content library, or board view for ideas and drafts, and predefined statuses such as draft, review, scheduled, and published. When you've found one that fits, click Use Template. You'll be asked where to place it and what to call it. Type in a clear, specific list name. A quick tip: use a naming convention like Social Content, Q2 2026, or Social Weekly Posts, so you can find things easily and report by quarter or campaign later. Make sure the list is being created inside the space you opened a moment ago, then confirm to apply the template. You'll see the structure appear almost instantly, with your views and sample fields ready to go. If your template also includes space level options, open your space and apply the template there as well. Click into the space, choose the template action, and confirm Use Template. This ensures your space inherits any helpful space settings, custom fields, or views the template provides. Once it finishes loading, everything is in place. That's your foundation done. A space with a dedicated social list and the right views to plan and track content. Next, open the content library view included with the template. Think of this as your central repository for ideas, copy drafts, creative notes, hashtags, and reference links. Add a few example tasks here for upcoming posts. Include details like the platform, theme, and owner. If the template offers custom fields for platform, campaign, or asset links, fill those out. They make filtering and reporting simple later. Keeping all ideas in the library means you never lose a concept, even if it's not ready for the calendar yet. Now switch to the content calendar view. This is where planning becomes visual. Click on the day you want to publish and create a task directly on the calendar. Give it a concise title that says what the post is about. Set the due date to match the publish date, and add any needed subtasks for copy, design, or approvals. Make sure the platform field is filled in, and set a priority if timelines are tight. When you're happy with the details, click Save. You'll see the task appear on that date, which makes gaps and overlaps obvious at a glance. Add another calendar entry to round out your plan. Choose a different day and create a task for a Facebook marketing post. Add the relevant notes or links. Confirm the platform field indicates Facebook, and save again. Calendars are especially powerful for task management because they expose workload and cadence immediately. If you notice too many posts clustering on one day, you can drag and drop to rebalance the schedule, keeping a consistent rhythm across platforms. With tasks on the calendar, set the content stage so everyone knows the status of each post. Open a task and choose the appropriate status from the template's workflow, such as idea, draft, in review, scheduled, or published. This single action drives clarity. Team members can filter by stage, managers can spot bottlenecks, and your own day becomes simpler because you can focus on just the items that need your attention next. If your process has a unique checkpoint, you can adjust statuses later, but the template's defaults are a great place to start. At this point, you've set up your space, created a list from a social media template, organized your ideas in the content library, scheduled posts on the calendar, saved your updates, and marked content stages so the workflow is crystal clear. Keep building momentum by adding future ideas to the library as they come to you, pulling them onto the calendar when timing is right, and updating stages as tasks move forward. Over time, this routine creates a reliable pipeline that makes social publishing far less stressful. That's the complete setup for using ClickUp to manage your social media with confidence. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more practical walkthroughs that help you get organized and ship great content. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.